boys and girls. Today we are on phonics lesson 17. Here's what the worksheet looks like. Make sure you have that. Have your name on it. We are going to get, did I show you both sides? No. There we go, both sides. We are going to get started. We're going to talk about some words and then we're going to get started right on the worksheet. So first I want to say the alphabet with you. Just 'cause it's always good to practice and say it together. So if you can say it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job. All right, now I'm going to say some words and I want you to tell me how many sounds you hear in them. Our first word is late. L-A-T. It's 3 sounds. All right, our next word is same. S-A-M. 3 sounds. Cool. K-U-L. That's 3 sounds. Our next word is side. S-I-D. 3 sounds. Our next word is host. H-O-S-T. 4 sounds. Our next word is must. M-A-S-T. 4. And our last word is peak. P-E-K. 3 sounds. Good job. All right, now we are going to start on our worksheet on number 1 through 10. I'm going to give you the sound and I want you to repeat it and then tell me what letter it is and write it down. So for number 1, we have S and write it down. Number 2, we have D, D, and write it down. Oops. Number 3, we have Z, Z or S, so Z, comma, S. Write it down. Number 4, we have A, O, and write it down. Number 5, we have A, A, and write it down. A. We're going to move number 6 up to here. We have A. Number 7, O, and write it down. Number 8, I, and write it down. Number 9, F, that's our new one. Write it down. And number 10, I, letter I, and write it down. All right, good job. Make sure you have those. Next, we're going to practice spelling. We're going to spell fit. Number 11. Let's sound it out together. It. That's our new F we just learned. I, and T. Fit. Number 12. Slid. S-L-I-D. S L L I I D. D. Slid. All right, good job. Now we're going to talk about our new letter. I'm going to say some words. I want you to repeat them. Hat, hat, hot, hot, hop, hop. Hen, hen. What sound are you hearing in the beginning there? Let's look at these words. Hop, hen, and hat. Do you see what letter these words all have in common there in the beginning? It's the H. Good job. Is the sound voiced or unvoiced? Unvoiced. Good job. And is H a consonant or a vowel? It's right here on our alphabet strip. It's in black. So it is a consonant. All right. Let's practice writing the letter H. All right, as you can see on your worksheet, you go down, and then another line next to that down, and a line across the middle for our capital H. Our lowercase h comes top down to the bottom, and then we put like a little hump on it, like that, just like an N kind of, but with a longer line. That's why you gotta be careful with those N's that you don't make them too tall, because then they look like H's. That's an H. All right. Practice writing a couple H's on your paper while I get us ready to move on to the next. All right. Next we're going to talk about our picture card. Our picture card is something that you wear on your head. Cowboys and cowgirls wear it, gardeners wear it. Use it to keep it off your, the sun off your face. Sometimes you can wear it on your birthday and it has bright colors. Does anybody know? It's a hat. So when we see this card, we're going to say hat, H. All right, on number 13, let's write down. I'm going to do H and then write it down. Number 14, we're going to start practicing spelling some words with H. Our first word is had. Let's sound it out together. Ad is our new H. A D D. Had. Good job. Number 15. Has. A H A S H A S. Number 16 is his. Is H I S. Good job. Make sure you have those written down. Next, we're going to move on to coding. Number 17, our word we're going to code is hop. Nothing sticks out here, we just have vowel consonant. So we're going to put a little brev, and we have hop. Number 18, hits. Hits. What are we going to do with that S? We're going to box it off, because it's a suffix. And then we just have vowel consonant, it gets a brev. Number 19, hill. We have a double consonant, so we just cross one out. So we have vowel consonant, gets the brev, hill. 20, hot. Here we just have vowel consonant, gets the brev, hot. 21, high. Here we have a vowel with nothing after it. So it gets a macron, I, and says its name. Now out of these, once you're going to look at the picture next to it and decide which word matches that picture and draw a line. If you don't have these down yet, pause and put them down. I'm going to erase so we can move on to the next group of words to code. Number 22 is hiss. We're going to cross out that S, and then we just have vowel consonant, it gets a brev. Number 23, hand. We have vowel consonant, gets a brev. 24, sniff. We're going to cross out one of these F's. Vowel consonant gets a brev. And that almost looks like a macron, so I'm going to make sure it looks more like a brev. 25, staff. cross out that second F. Vowel consonant gets a brev. Again, my brevs need to look more like a brev. 26, hit. We have vowel consonant, it gets a brev, and that's all for that. You have your homework on the back page. You're going to write H's and practice writing them. You're going to read both these sentences and draw a line to the picture that matches the sentence. Here you are going to look at the beginning sounds and then match it to the pictures. And here you're going to practice these high frequency words. Make sure that you get it back in your zipper pouch and back to school. Thanks, see you next time.